Hi, my name is Lindsay. I live in Washington State with my husband and our 5 teenagers. I received my bachelor's degree quite a while ago and worked in publications for a little while with my English communications degree. And then I took a break from professional full-time work and focused on raising my family. I did work as a preschool teacher for a little while and did some substitute teaching in the elementary school district here. As far as the MSW program, the catalyst for me was the adoption of 2 of our kids. We adopted our girls internationally from Ethiopia, and it was a life-changing experience. Understanding trauma became necessary in order to succeed, and I was thankful for support and resources that I was able to find, and ultimately decided that I wanted to go back to school to be able to help people through that season in life, specifically adoptive and foster families, and understanding trauma and the role that it plays in their child's life. That was what drew me to the program at Widener as well. Their emphasis on clinical social work and trauma was really what made their program stand out above others. So I've been away from the academic and professional world for a while, but I'm excited to dive in, and I'm excited to get to know and learn alongside each one of you.